So this is how you can share your screen in the Microsoft Teams app on the iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss anything important. So you are inside of a video call, you are like joined in, I assume, and at the bottom of this like calling meeting page, what you can see is a couple of different things. Like at first we have the ability to mute yourself or the call or enable the camera, to hang up, but you also see the three dots button for more information. This lets you add emojis and access chat or whatever, but you can also see the share button. So it's like a text with the share word and also a rectangle with arrow pointing up. So you have to click on it as such, and it's going to give you some options, like you can share a photo, video, or screen. And the screen option is what we are interested in. So you get to decide if you shared with audio or without audio. Whichever option you decided to click on, it's going to be continued. Then it's going to give you like the iOS interface where you basically just start recording or broadcasting your screen directly to the Teams app. You're going to click on the start button. Once everything gets started, you can temporarily like leave the meetings app and go to whatever else you want and actually show and share the content with them. So that is how it works. You can basically show any kind of like app or whatever else you have on your phone, and everybody in the meeting will be able to see it. So that's it for me. Obviously, make sure you stop it if you don't want to continue with it anymore. But that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.